5 marvelous and lesser-known things in the New Testament Jesus wrote on the ground. John 8:6-8. During the incident with the woman caught in adultery, Jesus writes in the dirt, but the text doesn't say what he wrote. This divine silence has led to centuries of speculation and awe. The resurrected saints walked in Jerusalem. Matthew 27:52-53. The tombs broke open. After Jesus' resurrection, they went into the holy city and appeared to many people. A moment often overlooked. At Jesus' death, many dead saints were resurrected and seen in Jerusalem. Paul was bitten by a viper and survived. Acts 28:3-6. On the island of Malta, Paul was bitten by a venomous snake but suffered no harm. The locals thought he was a god. This miracle subtly mirrors Jesus' promise that believers would survive deadly poison. Mark 16:18. Jesus' face transformation before his death. Luke 9:29. During the transfiguration, Jesus' face changed and his clothes became dazzling white. This event reveals his divine glory before the cross, a glimpse of eternity on a mountain. Philip's teleportation. Acts 8:39-40. The Spirit of the Lord suddenly took Philip away. Philip appeared at Azotus. After baptizing the Ethiopian eunuch, Philip was caught away and supernaturally transported to another city, a marvel resembling divine teleportation.